In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eBay Custom SKU field to verify your inventory. This is a simple but very practical workflow, especially if you use custom labels to keep track of products behind the scenes. The Custom SKU field can help you confirm that the item you're listing matches your internal inventory system, which makes it easier to stay organized and avoid mistakes. To begin, log into eBay and go to the top navigation area. From there, click on Sell. This will take you into the seller section where you can manage listings, drafts, and inventory-related details. If you already have a draft listing prepared, this is the easiest place to continue working with it. Once you're in the seller area, look for your drafts and click Resume Draft. This opens the listing so you can review or update the details. Working from a draft is helpful because it lets you check information before the item goes live, and that's exactly where the Custom SKU field becomes useful for verification. After the draft opens, move your attention to the listing form and click on the title area. You don't necessarily need to edit the title itself right away, but this puts you inside the main listing editor and helps you focus on the item details. From here, you can scroll or navigate through the form more easily to locate the field you need. Next, type your custom label, also called the SKU, into the appropriate field. This is where you enter the internal code you use to identify that item in your inventory system. The key here is accuracy. Make sure the SKU you enter matches your physical inventory record, storage label, spreadsheet, or whichever system you use to track stock. Even a small typo can create confusion later, especially when you're trying to locate an item after it sells. As a best practice, use a consistent SKU format across all your listings. That makes verification much faster and helps reduce duplicate labels or mismatched inventory. If you're checking an existing draft, this is also a good moment to confirm that the SKU belongs to the correct product variation, condition, or storage location. Once the custom label is entered correctly, you've created a reliable reference point inside the eBay listing. That makes future inventory checks much easier and gives you a cleaner process for managing items as your store grows. That's all it takes to use the eBay Custom SKU field to verify your inventory.